Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add location to your Facebook business page. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to log in into your business page in Facebook, and once you're here, you want to tap on your profile on the bottom right or the menu button. And from here, tap on your profile picture again. And once you're now in your profile, you want to go down until you see the edit public details, which is this one. And now you want to scroll down again until you see the details section right here and tap on edit on the right side. Once you're here, tap on add your address. And this is where you'll basically be adding the details of your location. So the first one is you want to add a street. And then in my case, I'll just go for my page doesn't have a street right here. But if you have one, then of course you can just fill that up. In my case, I'll just go for the city. So I'm going to go for, let's say, I'm gonna go for Brooklyn, for example, right there, and tap on save. And then once you do that, then now you can add a zip code right here. So I'll just go put something random, and right there, and then you want to hit on save. And then from here, the map location, you can now choose your location right here. So you can just go and select which location it is located right here in the map. So for example, I'm just gonna go here just for an example. I'm gonna put it there and tap on save once you're done, and then there we have it. We now have the location on the map, and all that's left is to tap on save. Once you tap on save again right here. So now once you get back here into your Facebook page, you should now be able to see it here in about. You should now be able to see your location added here under details. So when they tap on that, they will now be redirected here to the map, so they can open the Google Maps right here on your phone or the Maps app. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.